Good morning, guys.
Morning.
We are at a water park today. We're going to Typhoon Lagoon.
Ooh, Typhoon Lagoon.
So there's not going to be much footage on this camera. It's going to be mainly GoPro stuff. But we shall take you with you. Take us with you.
Take us with you.
Oh, whatever. Take
you with us.
But yeah, so water park today, and then we've got Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party in the evening.
Oh yeah, you get to see
tonight,
our outfit,
which we're really excited about.
We created our outfits this year rather than buy them, so that's super exciting.
Yeah, we bought outfits last time, but it's really difficult.
We didn't plan to dress up last time.
No, and it is really difficult to know what to go as because it's hot and you don't want to wear something that's too hot. But yeah, so we're now getting in the car and we'll show you when we get to Typhoon Lagoon.
Bye guys.
We're here.
Yeah, Typhoon Lagoon.
Best water park ever.
I prefer Blizzard Beach, but Typhoon Lagoon's just as good.
Typhoon Lagoon's the best.
Yep. No finger this morning, guys.
Oh, no finger. Okay.
Yeah, we're just trying to get you guys in.
No fingerprints this morning, just scanning magic bands. No finger scan, I wonder why they did that.
They're just trying to get people in. I think it's really broken, they're just saying that.
Yeah. How cool does that look?
That looks really cool.
So there's their little gift shop. We are heading to locker rental, which, is that what this queue is for? Locker rental? Jeez. So there's the wave pool. Let's see if we can capture a wave. There we go. We're standing here filming, and then there's these little, you might see them, these little water jets, like in these pipes, and they literally just squirted us. There we go. Oh dear. Yeah, it's pretty busy here. But isn't it beautiful?
Here we go, we're just swimming out for the wave. It's getting deep, I can't actually, I'm getting close to not being able to stand. Here we go guys, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! We did it. First ride of the day. It's the new one, Adventure Falls. That looks awesome. Follow the adventures of Captain Mary. Oh my god. 5 minutes. Perfect. We could have had Mickey. No, Millie, stop. Monkey glasses if I was you, babe. Up on the corner, no! No! Crush and Gusher. Oh yeah. 5 minute wait, let's do it. This one's awesome. I do like this ride because it's like almost like a mini roller coaster but on the water, because it like shoots you up as well as dropping you down. I'm gonna vlog it so you'll be able to see it anyway. Look. Crush and Gush. Crush and Gusher. Awesome. So awesome. I'm gonna go in this one. We're gonna go in a different lane. Bye girls! Gangplank Falls. Woo, it's cold.
Oh, that's really cold. Cold ice cream.
Cold ice cream.
Here we go.
Woo-hoo! So we just got a snack and we got the cream cheese stuffed pretzel. Is it good? Not good?
It's okay.
We wanted the jalapeno ones, but they've just sold out, so we'll get one of them in a bit. But yeah, so it looks quite nice. I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, so slow, guys. Rubbish. Here we go, picking up some speed, Here we go, we're doing a little bit. Yeah! This is better. Oh my god! Oh. So, we finally got the jalapeno cheese pretzels. Thoughts?
Best things ever.
Best things ever. Let's have a look.
So much better than the cream cheese ones.
Oh my god, guys. Come to Typhoon Lagoon, get yourself a jalapeno cheese pretzel. Bomb diggity.
So we just got lunch. I got it's like a belly of pork, mustard and ham toasted sandwich. You also get a bag of chips and I got a Fanta with it, and Jez got a chicken and waffle sandwich. It does look a bit measly.
Yeah,
no, is there not any sauce or anything in it?
Yeah, there's sauce and stuff in there.
And you got chips and a drink as well.
So as you can see, we are leaving Typhoon Lagoon. Storm rolling in, so they got everyone out, and storms take about 45 minutes to clear and about 15 minutes either side, obviously, for them stopping people from getting in and out. So we're looking at about an hour, and we wanted to leave about then anyway, to head across to the hotel to get ready, because I'm dressing up for Mickey's. So yeah, we're just heading back to the hotel now, so leisurely shower and get ready, and then head to the party early, which is going to be awesome. So I'm super excited for that. Charlotte's literally just there. So yeah, see you later, guys. So there's the entrance. Goodbye for this trip, Disney water parks. That's us done. We've only done one because we had to kind of limit everything because people were with. We've only ever been once, so we kind of had to make some hard choices about where we were going and for which days and stuff. So yeah, we're going to go back, get ready, so we'll see you in a minute. So I can kind of see why they shut Typhoon Lagoon. Oh my god, Jesus, this is a proper storm. And I was in the shower, as you can see. I'm bleeding. I was in the shower, as you can see, and Charlotte's decided to walk down to the shop, so I imagine she's going to be there a little while. But the rain is actually so heavy. Wow. The rain is so heavy that it's actually making waves on the river. That's ridiculous. Welcome to Florida. It is a tropic climate. Jesus. It is grumpy out there.
Okay, and then Jez is the bowler hat guy from Meet the Robinsons. Yeah, ignore the shoes. The shoes don't particularly go with our outfits, but it's fine. But how cool is that? Like, this little thing is actually, you can't really see it too well in here, but it's actually got a bulb inside.